Welcome dear colleagues and your families. I would like to, in this session, introduce you to one of our newest initiatives from the DTICI team. Through this initiative, we intend to address one of the most critical questions that we face as families. And this question is nothing but the career choices of our children. Through this unique initiative, we intend to address this question through which you can support, guide your children to make robust career choices, which would help them to pick up careers which are a combination of their passion and their likings. Children these days are a bit different than what we were during our childhood. These days, there is a lot of information that is available for them through various media, and they would like to explore and understand the various means, choices that they have to make their career. They would like to explore, they would like to understand before they can zero in on their final career path. At DTICI, we are extremely excited to bring to you a new initiative which will help you to support and guide your children to make these choices in a well-informed way. We have called and named as Disha. Through Disha, we are trying to help and provide some insights to you as parents as well as to you children to make your career choices, especially if you are in the age range when you get into class 8 or even if you are in your college. It is exactly the time you would need these insights to make appropriate career choices, to plan your future, to ensure that you get into a career wherein you are not just working, but you are exploring your passion and becoming better human beings and better professionals. So while we launch this initiative, we are not just going to bring these counseling sessions to you, but we are also going to bring in some very focused workshops with some of the best parenting coaches who will help you to address your questions, maybe reduce your anxiety, especially when your children want to take up their careers. And as you know, at DTICI, you are not just an employee of our company, but you are a part of a bigger family. And as a member of that family, we would like to help you through this crucial phase where your loved ones, your children, are going to make some very important decisions. So I invite you, I encourage you to please make use of this initiative and make better decisions, great decisions for your children. Thank you so much.